Hi, in this tutorial I'd like to show you how to copy the content of a given file to next file and give it a new name. It's gonna be very simple. I think you will keep up with me without any problem, so let's just start. So at first we need to include header stdio.h. We'll include also header stdlib.h. stdlib.h will be using just for being able to use exit function in case one of our files is broken or it simply doesn't exist. So we have to do obviously main, and we start from creating handles to our files, right? So we use a file structure. We write our original file and we'll write our copy. So now when we have it, let us print some message like give a name of the file. Okay, so to have the name of our file stored, we have to create a variable. So let us create a variable file name. We'll give it 300 bytes. I think that should be enough for storing the name. And now we use the function scanf to obviously take this file name from a user. Okay, now we have it. So now when we have it, we can open our file, right? To open our file, it's very simple. We use function fopen. So I will do something like our original file. We use function fopen. Now we use the name of our file name. And then we open this in a read mode, as we will read each byte of this file till the end of file, and at the same time will be write it to our copy file. So now we have our file open. It's fine, it's great. Now we need name of our copy file. So we'll do file name copy. We'll give it as well 300 bytes, and we write a message, give a name of copied file of copy. I'm sorry. Okay, now we have it. We have to store this in our variable file name copy. So we'll take this name from our user. I'll copy this. Okay, so this is done. Now we have to open our file name, our copy, right? But before we do this, we have to check if the name of a file we give here at this point actually exists, right? So we just have to do simply if original is equal to null, which basically means that our file doesn't exist or is broken, so the system is unable to find it. Then we'll print a simple message like the file does not exist. Okay, and we'll do exit 1. Now we have to, and let me maybe write some comments so you will have easier time of understanding what's going on, right? So here we have handles, or is it actually handlers, I believe, to our files. Original and copy. Here is our name of a file, name of a file that will be copied. Here we are taking this name. Here we have error handling for an original file. Okay, so now we have our file open. We have to open the second file that will have the content of our original file. So I will write copy. Copy. We use fopen as well. We use our specified file name, but this time we'll open this in write mode, as we'll be writing to this file each character that is in our original file. Okay, so and now as it is done, we have to do the same error handling for this file, as we might encounter as well some problems with opening this file. So just in case, we have to check it. It's a good coding practice. So we'll just copy this this part of code. Here we have error handling for our copy file, but the message will be a bit different. The file could not be opened. Okay, so now our files are ready to go. If you want to copy content of a file, we have to, like I said before, read each byte of content that is in our original file. So will be basically, our strategy is to read each character, then after reading this character from our original file, put it to our copy file. So we'll have to specify character. We'll call it C, as we'll be reading this one after one, and we'll have to do this in a while loop. till it's gonna be done. So what we have to do, we have our while loop, and let me make just a structure for this. So here we have our while loop, and now we have to do we have to specify that our I'll call it maybe ch would be better. Our ch is simply f get c from our original file. From our original file. So we take fgetc takes each character of original file, then assign it to our char. Then we will write this character to our new file, right, to our copy. I use here double quotation. I'm sorry, I'm using here parentheses. This, I'm not sure actually if this is necessary, but sometimes I do this just in case something would go wrong. So we'll read each character of original file till we meet end of file, right? EOF is end of file, and we'll read it, and then we will write it at the same time to our new file. So here we have to use the function fputc. This function will take this character and write it to our new file. So we have to specify this particular character, right? And the file it's gonna be put. So that's it. It's very simple, like I said before. Obviously, after we'll do this, we have to close our file using fclose function. So we have to close our original, and we have to close our copy. I believe I called it copy. Let me check it one more time. File copy. Yes, it's a copy. Okay, so that's it. We have to save this file. So I'll just save it. We will have to now. We'll have to now. Where is it? YouTube. YouTube video. Sorry. Okay, so basically I think it's that one I was preparing before, but let me check really quickly. This is what we were, yes, that's what we were doing right now. Here are our comments. So now we have to rename our file. As right now it's a text file, and we need to have a C file. So we'll copy name, and we'll rename this as copy.c. Now it should be fine. Okay, let us compile this. Okay, there wasn't any problem with compilation. Let us check. Okay, so I will try to open this file, hihi.txt. Okay, it just contains numbers. So we'll use our program to copy the content of this file. So we choose hihi.txt. Let us call it, I don't know, maybe haha.txt, right? Or, okay. Let us now, here we have this file. Let us open a file haha.txt, and as you can see, it successfully copied the content of the file hihi.txt, right? We can compare it, right? This is our original file, this is right, and this is our copy, right? So like I said, it's very simple. If you have any question about this program, just don't hesitate and just contact with me. In the fact that I wish to be in contact with you. I love to talk to people. I love to explain things. So if there will be anything I'll be able to explain or help you with, I'll be really happy because of that. So have a great day, have a nice day, thank you for your time, and I hope you enjoyed it and understood as much as possible. That wasn't a difficult program, but it's it's our introduction to file handling. Later I'd like to write also some servers, play with some shellcodes. Basically we'll be aiming to become hackers that can programmatically break into systems.